CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss how to print the ASCII value for every character. C program to print ASCII value. Okay. So what is ASCII in the sense? It is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So in C program, if you are considering in the sense, for every character, there will be an equivalent ASCII value. The C program will not handle the character directly. Instead of handling the character, it will take its ASCII value and that will be stored with the memory location for every corresponding character. Now, we will write a C program to print the ASCII value for each character. Okay. So, if you are entering any character in the sense, what is its equivalent ASCII value that it will print? So, the first statement is header file. Hash include within angle bracket the standard header file stdio.h. Okay, close the angle bracket. So this is the standard header file, and here no global variables and there is no user defined function. So no need to declare anything here. Directly go to main. Void main. Since the main function is not going to return any value to any other function, we have used the return data type of main is void. Our logic is we have to enter a character. It has to accept a character. So declare a character variable first. Character data type is char and the character variable I will enter here is ch. Character variable will hold 1 byte memory location. You need to enter a character and that value will be stored with the variable ch. After entering, we are going to check for that corresponding character what is its ASCII value. A simple logic only. Okay. So now printf enter a character. Any character you can able to enter. Okay, A, B, C, D, likewise any character. Even special symbols also, special characters also you can able to enter. And using a scanf statement, what is the format specified for character data type? It is %C. Okay. Then use the address operator and what is our variable name? It is ch. Then end with a semicolon. Now we have accepted a character. And we are going to print for that equivalent character what is the ASCII value. Okay. So use printf statement ASCII value of, here what is the character we are going to enter? So that is %C. Okay. ASCII value of %C equal to %D. Okay. So here if we are considering in this sense, this %C will hold what is the character user has entered. Okay. And %D, it will display in the memory location of this character variable what is the value stored. Okay. I already told if you are entering a character, directly the character will not be stored in the memory location. Instead of that character, its equivalent ASCII value will be stored in the memory location. And if you are asking to print the value stored with this memory location in the sense, it will print its corresponding ASCII value. So simple. Okay. So now here comma and here also we are going to enter ch only. And ch is nothing but character we have entered and we are going to display here it is %C. Directly it will display the character. Again it is ch here. And here what it will happen in the sense, instead of its character in the memory location, what is the value stored? That is %D. Okay, a very simple logic. Then use the return statement. Now if you are executing this program in the sense, it will print the corresponding ASCII value for any character. Okay, for example, and here we have to print a new line character so that it will be printed in the next line. Okay, now execute the program. Enter a character. For example, the starting character A I will enter. Okay. So what is its equivalent ASCII value? ASCII value of small letter A is 97. Suppose, what is the ASCII value of capital letter A? It is 65. Okay. And what is the ASCII value of capital letter B? The next value. The ASCII value of capital letter A is 65 in the sense. ASCII value of capital letter B is the next value, 66. C is 67. D is 68 likewise. And the ASCII value of small letter A is 97, right? And small letter B, if you are entering in the sense, it is 98. Okay, this is its corresponding ASCII value. And for example, if you are entering any special character, ASCII value of at. What is the ASCII value of at symbol in the sense? It is 64. Okay. What is the ASCII value of percentage? It is 37. What is the ASCII value of star? It is 42. Okay. So, for every character and special characters, directly the C compiler will not store the characters or special characters in the memory location. Okay. Instead of the characters or special characters, it will convert that corresponding character into its equivalent ASCII value. That is easy to handle by the compiler. Okay. For any character or special characters, it will be automatically converted to its corresponding ASCII value. What is the ASCII value for the open bracket? It is 40. So for every special characters, there will be a equivalent ASCII code. Okay. Only in the form of code only it will be stored in the memory location, not the value directly. What is the ASCII value for question mark? It is 63. What is the ASCII value for double quote, starting double quote? It is 34. What is the ASCII value for greater than symbol? It is 62. So likewise, for each and every character or special character will have its corresponding ASCII code, and compiler will take in the form of ASCII code only, not directly the characters or special characters. Okay. So this is nothing but a simple code that prints for the character or special character its equivalent ASCII code. Very simple logic. Use only %D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.